another DIY project for my 2015 F250. It's a nice crisp day here in West Texas. It is currently 96 degrees. So it's a lot better today than it has been since it's been super windy. Anyhow, without further ado, so I was looking into budget options to build a truck flag, and there's plenty of videos like this on YouTube, but one thing I was running into is with my truck, the 2011 through 2016 F250s, as you can see, there's not really a good place to zip tie flag on here. So what I came up with was this little invention. This is a 3/8 by 4-inch eye bolt I just picked up at Home Depot. I just have a washer here, a nut there, same thing in here to secure it inside of the truck rail. Parts wise, we have this set of washers, nuts, and lock washers. This is just in case I need to add the lock washers if it starts getting loose or jarred around from the wind. I got some zip ties just for redundancy, just in case I want to secure it a little bit more. To secure the eye bolt inside, I just use this little adjustable wrench and this 1/16 wrench. I just put the 1/16 wrench in here and then use the adjustable wrench to cinch that down. So this is nice and sturdy. I've got some hose clamps here along the pole. One there, one here on this eyelet that came from the factory. Now for the flag itself, I'm using this 3/4 inch by 5 foot pole I got at Home Depot. Also picked up a flag at Home Depot, made in the USA, 3x5 nylon. Should be high quality, should last for a while. And lastly, or second to last, I've got this little end cap I'm just going to have setting on here. That way it'll set in this and it won't scratch my bed liner up. I know it's not the best shape, I still wanted to rub through. Then to put the flag on the pole, picked up these flag rings from Amazon. You just put them on the pipe and then cinch them down with a little X key that it came with. And it's got these little D-rings that you can put on there. They just clip into the flag grommets. So stand by, let me get this pole put in here, and I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back. So like I mentioned, all you do is slip these flag rings on here. I don't have them Loctited in or anything yet. This is just for demonstration purposes, but D-ring is on there. You just put them on this pipe. And here is a different angle at what we're going to be putting it into. Like I said, I have already tightened this. We'll see if I need those lock washers or not. So far it feels real sturdy, but we will see. So just bear with me. I'm going to get it put in here and I'll show y'all what it looks like. So see, it just slips right through there, just right through the hose clamps, and just take my flathead screwdriver, and I'm sure you can use zip ties to do this. I just wanted to try hose clamps to see if I can get a little bit snug fit, a bit more snug fit, I mean. So, you know, I don't have this cinched down fully. This is just, like I said, for demonstration purposes. But, I mean, so far this is sturdy. Like, tugging on it pretty good. Sorry for the wind. But tugging on it pretty good, and it's not going anywhere. Like I said, I just put that little end cap on there. You can glue this on if you want. I just wanted to kind of have it sitting there so it's not digging a hole in my bed. But yeah, so the next step, of course, so this is what it looks like. You just put your flag on here and you should be good to go. I also bought a 10-foot pipe that I'm thinking about using as well. Simply because this is a 5-foot pipe and I have a 3x5 flag, so when the flag is attached to it, whenever I tested it, the flag is at risk for touching the bed, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm probably going to use that 10-foot pipe and cut it probably about a foot off. That way the flag never touches my truck bed, and that way I can respectfully fly the flag on the right side of my truck.